MAC Air Duct Cleaning provides reliable boiler repair services throughout Philadelphia County, PA, helping homeowners and businesses keep their heating systems running safely and efficiently. Whether your boiler is making unusual noises, leaking, not producing enough heat, or has stopped working completely, our skilled technicians are ready to diagnose the issue and provide dependable repair solutions. Call our boiler repair team if you have any questions. Are you looking for a boiler repair near me? You can stop looking. You found MAC Air Duct Cleaning. Can you repair all types of boilers? Yes. Our experienced technicians are trained to repair a wide range of residential and commercial boiler systems, including gas, electric, and oil-fired boilers from many major manufacturers. How often should a boiler be serviced? Most manufacturers recommend annual boiler maintenance to ensure safe operation, improve efficiency, and reduce the likelihood of unexpected breakdowns. What is your service area for Philadelphia, Pennsylvania? Our repair has helped clients in Philadelphia, Carroll Park, Haverford North, Spruce Hill, Mantua, West Passyunk, Point Breeze, Newbold, Dickinson Narrows, Hawthorne, Queen Village, Yorktown, East Kensington, West Kensington, Fair Hill, Port Richmond, Powelton Village, Brewerytown, Kensington, Nicetown, Tioga, Pennsylvania. Where is your repair in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania located? We are located at 7708 City Avenue number 206, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania 19151. Our phone number is 610-424-6277. Visit our website www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-Philadelphia-County.